What you draw will be up to you. Maybe you want to draw something that reflects one of your hobbies. Maybe you'd like to draw something that reflects the first letter of your name or the year you were born. It's really up to you what you draw, what you depict in your image. And if you trace it, I won't be mad because I know that hands are very hard to draw if you're trying to incorporate a sign into your art. But I want to show you some samples from former students that incorporate signs into the art, much like Chuck Baird's art. This person in particular was a runner. She liked to run, so she chose to make her art focused around the sign for run. I would like you to use color. This person was very fond of the ocean. They looked up and found the sign for wave, which is water. And then you show the motion of the water. She actually put arrows and directionality into her art. Chuck Baird's art does not include this type of directionality or directions, but if that's how you'd like to make yours, you may. Now, some people are very good at shading, and if you're one of those people and you would like to shade your art rather than add color, you may. So you'll look up a sign or you'll use letters, numbers. It's really up to you how you handle this. This person looked up the sign for bird, and then she incorporated it into her art. You can see the bird hand shape taking place of the beak. And instead of coloring, she shaded. I have some other examples that you might find online. Some of these are copies of the original artist's art. This person looked up the sign for butterfly, and she incorporated it into her art. This person looked up sunrise, chose to only use a little bit of color with some shading. Sunrise typically looks like this when it's signed, and you can see it right here in the art. Another example, someone looked up stars and included those hand shapes along the lines of a background with stars. Stars. Plant is featured in this piece of art. Dream. You're creating a dream bubble above your head. This student even put all the letters of the word in her art. So however you want to handle this, do not think that you need to be an artist to do this. This is therapeutic. This is what you're doing right now during class, because I'm going to ask you to give it to me on Thursday when I see you in person. Now, some people are artists, and I just wanted to share with you their work. This is how you sign friend. You probably remember that from class. This particular student is an artist. You can tell from her work. But that's what I would like you to do today during class time. Have a little therapeutic hour. Look up Chuck Baird's art, see some of his inspiration, beautiful art that can be found online, Chuck Baird, and you make your own version of it. Bring it to class on Thursday. See you soon.